Another very related point about that is that creative people, generally speaking, have a more inherent understanding of branding, right? Good branding is really about standing out. You want to differentiate yourself from your competition, right? So it's very important when you start a business to be different from everybody else doing the same thing, right? Well, why would you come to Sunlight Tax versus go to H&R Block? So what's important to me is to show you, well, I'm very different from H&R Block, and here's how. And I'm in fact trying very hard not to look like other accountants, and I'm happy to be all the things that I genuinely am and show you how those are so different from the sort of like white, bro-ish, khaki-wearing accountant that you might be used to, right? I'm going to be out here and be queer and artsy and weird, politically engaged, liberal-leaning, unabashedly so. I'm going to be all those things, right? And you know you're getting a very specific flavor when you come to Sunlight Tax or listen to the Sunlight podcast versus listen to somebody at H&R Block, who's probably a lot more generic.